Hello everyone, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with this week's new release, which I'm very excited about. Excited for the next few releases actually, because we have some cool stuff coming, and this one has a lot of fun foil that I'm really excited to show y'all. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's start right at the top with what I sneaked on Instagram and y'all, my DMs blew up. Hole reinforcers, and I am so excited for these. There are two different styles, so let's go ahead and go over the first one first. This one is more neutral. So on the top here you have a full set of the confetti, and then there is more like a dotted, and there is half a set here, a grid half a set, the outline half a set, and the like lines, and then a full set of the solid. So the idea is to order two of them, and that helped with like SKUs and ordering them manufactured for us, so we didn't have to make like double the sheets. So I figured these two you could definitely use more often, and then these are a little bit more unique. So you have a full set and then half sets of these, but these are kind of made to order in twos. So these will come in gold, silver, rose, hollow, sparkly hollow, champagne lights, matte bronze, and lavender hollow. And I'm thinking, actually, I've been thinking to myself, let me know in the comments because I need to know. So should I just start putting these special foils in the same listings as the this items rather than having a specialty foil listing? Let me know what you think in the comments down below, because I see the pros to both ways. But obsessed with these. So that is sheet 1. And then sheet 2 is more like kind of niche designs. So let's look at the top. So you have our celestial, you have hearts, you have luxe, you have park hopper, you have shimmer and sparkle, and then down here you have twinkle and stars. So again, it's kind of made to buy two of them, and then you have lots of options between these two sheets. So again, this comes in gold, silver, rose, hollow, sparkly hollow, champagne lights, matte bronze, and lavender hollow. And they are just so pretty. I'm obsessed. Just a little extra. And excited to use these. I actually already used them. I haven't finished the spread yet, but I put the lavender hollow ones on this spread here that I did like a manual mixed metal moment with lavender hollow and gold hollow, which I think I'm going to have to order a foil bundle on that because it is excellent. Okay, then let's move into the quilt boxes that I have coming out this week. These are available in the normal 5 foils, and these are like Disney Christmas type overlays. So you have like the castle, and then like a little snowflakes in a Mickey head, and then you have yourself a Mickey Little Christmas, Joy to the World with the little Mickey head, and then Merry Christmas inside of the Mickey. And again, the normal 5 core foils. And then kind of moving into that, we have 4 foil bundles. This is a new design that I'm so excited about. And I did a little bit different. Usually I order like gold and silver and then maybe one fun foil recently. But this time what I did was I ordered a silver, lavender hollow, champagne lights, which is beyond amazing, and then also sparkly hollow. I think sparkly hollow is going to look really good with Lila's birthday art, which I have showed most of my friends, and I told them that they could even use it for their birthday art. It's very like dual purpose, you'll see, and I feel like everyone's going to want to use it because it's so beautiful. Like, it's just next level. I 100% will use it multiple times, but this, honestly, I think any of them actually could go depending on like what you want to do. So let's go over the silver, and then I might flip through like champagne lights just for fun. So this is, I didn't even say what it was. It is a snow Mickey. It's like a magical snow. Maybe that's what I'll call it. Magical snow print. So you have snowflakes. There's some with like Mickey heads in them, little Mickey heads, and then just some regular snowflakes, some regular little Mickey heads. So you have your 6 full box overlays, kind of like your normal design. This one you can use the opposite one on this page, flip it, and you do have like, what's it called? A double box. And then you have your header overlays, again, Mickey heads, snowflakes. But I think honestly this could just go with like as a snow bundle, but we do have some snow bundles coming. You have your bougie boxes, which is the regular bougies. You have your icons and scripts, and then the bottom washi you have the fancy headers, you have the deco, the date numbers, and then the bottom washi, which is so gorgeous. I am so obsessed with this. So pretty, and I cannot wait to use it. I also think there's plenty of Plannahannah underlays. You could do like the double moment, which is probably what I'll do, is pick like a color and then use like maybe cut like one of the ones that have more space and then have the sparkly hollow bougie underneath. And let me show you just how pretty this one is. I'm obsessed in these champagne lights. So cute. Love those. And let's go into the doodles and characters real quick. You have Baymax here, which is character number 23 in the pop culture section. You have character number 15 in the normal 6 options here. So cute. This is kind of like a Disney. So she has her Mickey ears and holding a Mickey ice cream bar. I am obsessed. Perfect for your magical spreads, which I kind of think is the theme this week. And then the color of the week this week is a really pretty like deep purple. Love this. This is in the normal 10 sheets. Really exciting. I actually have more doodles coming soon. I did 50 new designs, formatted those, and then there will be, I think there's only a couple more, maybe like 4 more colors, and then there's going to be 2 more sheets added, which is really exciting. So it'll be 12 sheets instead of 10. So that is the color of the week that is available. All the foil bundles will be on special pricing until Sunday evening, and then the doodles will be available till Sunday evening as well. Then let's go on to the kits for this week. So we will go through the like Christmas snowy seasonal ones first. So this one I think would be great if you wanted to use the new foil bundle with a kit this year. This is Mary Magique, which is just so gorgeous. A reformat. You could use lavender hollow, you could use the sparkly hollow, you could use the silver. I feel like even if you want to do the gold, like if you were really set on it, you could do like a manual mixed metal. I think that'd be fun as well. And use those quilt boxes on them too. So this will come in an ultimate and a mini. Let's go ahead and go through it. Spooky Magique was also a reformat, but was one of our top selling Halloween kits this year, and I'm very excited to use it. I have like so many reformats I want to use because I feel like I've been saying, the reformats are just hitting different. I love this. I don't know actually if I ever used this kit, so I think it might be going in my planner this year in January just because it's so pretty. And I think with that sparkly hollow, I might end up using it twice. I don't know. But also maybe for Lila's, I'll use the champagne lights. We have decisions to make. So here's the bottom washi page. And then the freebie and the ultimate and mini is another fashion option. So you have like 4 fashion options here. Did I show you the extra boxes? So cute. So cute. So that is the ultimate kit. I'm definitely going to be using this year. Well, it'll be next year. But y'all know. Y'all know. Planner time. So let me show you the add-on options. There is the doodle. Magical doodle. There is the label sampler 2 and the regular label sampler. This is like more of like a pinky color. You have the functional, the ombre, and then there is fam options. So you have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So cute. I love this sweater here. Then we do have one Christmassy kit for this week. Plenty of Christmassy kits to come. Y'all, I have lots. I think I have quite a few like exclusive arts too. Maybe like 3 or 4, maybe? We'll see. Lila's is kind of Christmassy, so that would add to it. So this is a holiday prep, and this is kind of like a recolor that Candace just released of Hanukkah Honey, and I love this. I love the colors. I think this would look really pretty with champagne lights, like everything. But it would also look really pretty with rose, with matte bronze, matte silver. If you want to do just silver, just gold, I think it would look really, or even a mixed metal, gold and silver, champagne lights, sparkly hollow. I think that would actually be really fun too. But you have lots of options for this one. I think even if you wanted to use this kind of moving into January, kind of like cleaning up the holidays, wrapping up alternative New Year's, I think would be cute. But this also does kind of give me January vibes, you know what I'm saying? But also Christmas. Could go anyway. Transition from Thanksgiving into Christmas. Y'all, this is just a good one. It's going into my lineup for sure. And I mentioned before, I think I only have 4 weeks in my main planner to use Christmas kits, but this one is happening. It's happening. So you have the full boxes, the deco, and then you have your extra boxes here. I love the sweaters and the ornaments. So cute. You have the faux gold strip throughout, but I think you could also use, like I said, you could use rose with this. I feel like you could use copper if you wanted to. Love this. Love the little like foot flat lay. Love the plaid. And then the extra box in the Ultimate and Mini is the alternative skin tone options to this box. This kit comes in both Ultimate and Mini. So there is the Ultimate. There is the Mini. Also, mystery spots are still open. I think I'm going to try and leave them open like all the time until like it ships. So if you're interested in signing up mystery, this month's mystery is epic. I think it's going to be the favorite. I don't know. I have a feeling you're really going to freak out. Like if you aren't subscribed, you're going to want it. So, and the foil bundle, I haven't released yet. It's coming. But it's beautiful. It works perfectly with the set. The set is like kind of pastel colors. It's Darcy art. Y'all are going to love it. So if you're not subscribed, you're going to want to. So add-on options. You have Doodle. You have Functional. You have Ombre. You have Label. You have, I thought there was a Label too. Maybe not. I might have been just dreaming. I thought there was though. If there is, I'll put it in the listing. And then there is Fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that, my friends, is holiday prep. And then last but not least is a reformat, but this was one of the fan favorite mysteries from last year. And we're calling this one Movie Night. So this was the, I believe, September mystery from last year. I don't even think I keep pushing it because I was like, I want the perfect week to use it. And it just kind of reminds me of like romantic movie night with the colors and like the lighting. So I was going to use it for mine and Nick's anniversary, but then Avery's birthday, and then I was going to use it for our half anniversary, and then something else was that week. But I think now that it's in the new format, I'm just going to bite the bullet and use it sometime. I might use it as a maybe like a going into Valentine's Day or coming out of Valentine's Day. So I'm going to transition, but I think even like a transition from Valentine's Day to March would just kind of make sense and just make sure that week to go hard on watching movies. So this is the full boxes. I don't think I changed very much in this because I was like pretty happy with the way that it looked. Maybe I changed like one of the colors. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. Super, super pretty though. Love this. Love the neutralness of it. I feel like this would look really pretty with silver. Oh, I love this box. The feet. I think that might have been a new box. And that is from like something exclusive, I think. Maybe the movies? I don't remember. I don't remember what it's from. But love the tie. I love everything. The freebie is the tall box of the living room in the alternate kind of angle. Yeah, I think this would look really pretty with, actually, I think gold would work. Silver, matte bronze, matte silver mixed together in shimmer. That would be perfect. I think you could do rose. I think there's probably a lot of fun foils out there that you could use as well. Or you could just do silver. I think silver is like the easy option in my opinion. So that is the movie night, which is the reformat of the September mystery from last year. It also comes in a mini kit. There is the ombre if you want to add it on, the doodle, the functional, the label too. Maybe this is where I was thinking the label too. I really thought there was one over there, but also a lot of kits are made every year. I get lost. And then there is also fam options. So you have fam 1 through 6, like normal. So this one here is like the tall box. Love her, love her, love the hand. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that, my friends, is everything for this week. I am very excited. Very excited for especially like the next few releases because I have a lot of fun stuff. Like I was really excited about releasing the whole reinforcers and this foil bundle and those full box overlays, but y'all don't even know what's coming. so excited. I have a collab with Printpression coming that is just literally everything. So you might want to hold on buying your planners for next year because it's literally everything. And that'll be coming to my shop. And then Advent's coming very soon. I want to make sure that international peeps have time to order and get it in time if they want to open it. Advent style price point, I think I mentioned in the Facebook group, is going to be between $30 and $35. And there's going to be either, you can just get everything in a cello, because I know a lot of people just like to have it as kind of like a bundle. And then there are, I think it was like a lower percentage, wanted it in envelopes, so I just did lesser of those. So it's going to be cheaper if you just want it all in a cello, because there's not all the extra envelopes, the extra labor, the seals, etc. To seal all the days up. So just to be up to you, but I would try to keep everything as affordable as possible. And it's a shop preview. So basically the items inside will be coming to the shop in the future, and you'll know exactly what you're getting basically. Besides like design and foil colors, it is foil. That's why I was able to keep it so affordable. So it'll be a great deal though, and something that you can buy multiples of and definitely use it. Like if it was me, I'd probably pick up at least 3 because I feel like it's very, very easily used. So that's everything for this week. That's enough sneaks for the future. There's other things too that I'm very excited about, but those are the 2 that I'm most excited about. And that is everything. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below about how you want these in listings, like the specialty colors, because I would love to know. Otherwise, I'll talk to y'all in the next one. Bye!